Ms. Helen Woodworth, thank you very much for joining in this short interview. You're the Business Manager, Consumer Filtration Europe for Freudenberg, and we are very happy to have you in our FILTREX conference in Berlin. You're going to talk about the new standard for room air purifiers. Can you just give us a short outline why that is important and what's changed?
Yes, the old standard relates to 2015 and standard principles within it. The new standard is very much more focused on the experience of the consumer and incorporates additional aspects like virus and antibacterial control, and also with regard to odour and the testing that's incorporated with regard to those two factors.
Okay, thank you very much. And it also reaches the Chinese standard. Does that mean that we can expect to see also CEN European standards or even ISO global standards in this field?
Okay, so the Chinese standard is highly respected within the, I guess, air purification world globally. Yes, there are different standards in different regions, but main manufacturers tend to focus on the GBT standard in China as being a factor when they're developing a filtration or an air purifier solution. And also the Chinese consumer is the greatest consumer in the world, so it is driving other standards.
Okay, thank you. So the Chinese standard is actually leading the way at the moment.
At the moment, yes.
Yeah. Another intriguing thing, because room air purifiers, they started off as little devices. And we have HVAC systems on the other side of the spectrum. How do they relate to each other?
I would say that at the moment they're quite separate, and different regions in the world operate differently in terms of home systems and air purifiers. What the new standard recognises, though, is that is larger air purification appliances. So it incorporates us testing in larger chambers in order to validate these appliances. So who knows where this is going to go into the future. For me, it's exciting that we continue to see innovation and consumer requirements, both in public buildings and in the home. So let's see where this goes into the future.
Okay, thank you very much, Helen. Really looking forward to meet in person in Berlin and to listen to your presentation.
Thank you.